Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix words or text are auto-changing while typing in iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iOS smartphone and on the right side I have a Android smartphone. So firstly let me show you on my iOS smartphone. Just open any messaging application. And still let me type some text, and if I click a spacebar here, so you can see here it's auto changing, right? So to fix this issue, what you need to do is just tap and hold on this smiley icon. Now you will see your keyboard settings, just click on it. Now here we'll see auto correction. So by default this option will be turned on, so just turn it off. And now let us check again. Now once again let me press the spacebar. So now you can see it's not auto-correcting. So finally we have fixed. So similarly on your Android smartphone, just open the messaging application and say let me type some text here again. And once I click on the spacebar, it's auto-correcting again. So similarly, in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is just click on the settings icon and just click on this auto replace. So just disable it, move back, and once again click on this auto spell check and just disable this too. Now let us type again, and if I click on this spacebar again, so now you can see it's not auto-correcting. So finally we have fixed on both of our devices. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix words or text are auto-changing while typing in iOS and Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.